Hey everyone, starting our showcase for March 2022 with a 2022 Tesla Model 3, a full front Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF, 10-year protection with the debadged emblems. We remove the cameras for a more seamless look, fold the edge into the wheel well. Just detailed protection here with taking off the mud flaps and making sure that we fold it in underneath as well. Double stack the fenders with a rocker panel kit that comes with the lower doors. It's seamless, so we go over this seam and make sure that we use steam all the way through to have no air. Actually did a one-piece mirror install, which is pretty difficult to do. Don't always do it, mostly do it on white vehicles. A-pillars that reach up to the door frame, which you can't even really see. But we're also showcasing a couple new products here, being the Stek DYNOshade PPF. So this isn't tint, this is protective film done on the fog lights as well. Looks outstanding on this Tesla, as well as DYNOflex windshield protection film, another new product that we're bringing out, where the optical clarity is just awesome. So this also has Xpel Prime XR Plus window tint with a very difficult one-piece rear window. Pretty high price point on this install, not absolutely necessary, where we can just join it pretty much where the shade is with two different sections of tint, but this owner wanted the one piece. We have DYNOshade on the rear taillights. Part of the custom job too with doing rocker panel PPF is we actually fold into this delicate thin line, where we even have a little bit of a sacrificed edge here with textured pattern changing, and we make sure that our trimming is very precise there. We also go a step further and we do a custom wrap where there's no relief cut here, so it completely folds into the edge and goes all the way around, which is a problem area for Teslas. To show you the optical clarity of looking through the windshield, which is awesome. The sunroof tint as well. The XR Plus has a very slight blue tinge to it. Has the best heat rejection in the game, especially long term, which is what a lot of people and businesses won't really talk about. Here we're doing a full body Model X as well. A full body Porsche Boxster. Storing the GT3 right there. Turned out really nice. Thanks for watching.